All right, so we are looking at exponents, and like a lot of other things, we have done amazing so far. We want to keep it going, but it is going to get a little bit harder. Okay, I promise it's not that bad. It just has an extra nuance that you kind of have to look at. So we have done exponents before. So 2 to the second power, you took a test on that. That is 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the first power, that just means 1, 2 multiplied together, that gives you 2. We talked about the zero exponent rule, whether it be today or last week, and anything to the zero power is 1. Okay? Now, 2 to the negative 1, this is why I wanted you to get your calculator for right now. In your calculator, you are going to do 2, this little arrow key. If for some reason the numbers or letters are crossed out or rubbed off, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th from the top arrow. And then the negative button is underneath the 3 and negative 1. And you'll push enter. Your calculator is going to give it to you as a decimal. So now you are going to click the second button. And at the top, you should now see it say second, 2, and D. And you are going to push the table button and then push enter. That gives you the answer of 1/2. So in this box right here, we are going to put 1/2. I want you to do the same thing for 2 to the second power. So 2 caret negative 2 second, that table button, and that gives you the answer 1/4. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit faster on this side. 5 to the second power is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 to the first is 5. 5 to the 0 is 1. 5 caret negative 1 second table, enter, is 1/5. 5 caret negative 2 second table, 1/25. Okay, then we have 10 squared, which is 100. 10 to the first, which is 10. 10 to the 0, which is 1. Now we are going to do 10 caret negative 1 second table, 1/10. 10 caret negative 2 second table, 1/100. Okay? What do you notice about the negative exponents? They turn into a fraction. They are the reciprocal of the positive exponent. Okay, they turn into a fraction and they are the reciprocal of the positive exponent. So 2 squared is 4, 2 to the negative second is 1/4. So I don't want to solve anything. All I want to look at now is making that reciprocal. So it says 4 to the negative third. So using positive exponents, the reciprocal of that would be 1 over 4 to the third. X to the negative second. The reciprocal of that would be 1 over x to the second. Now here's where it gets a little different, right? The negative exponent is in the denominator. So the reciprocal of that fraction would be c to the fifth over 1, or just c to the fifth. Okay? Now the second piece of this, there's a negative on both, which means we're going to just do the reciprocal of both parts. We're going to do the reciprocal of both parts. Now what I want you to do is the practice on your own. Do the practice on your own. You got this.